Greeting guys. So this is what I'm looking at on Go today. But before I do that, let me explain to you, let me recap what happened yesterday. So when I was doing my analysis in the morning, I told you guys that if gold broke this high and retest, we should buy here and target 1 to 2, which he played out because I say that I'm using this zonal change of character on this 1 hour time frame, and our stop should be here, which is played out very well. So if you didn't watch the analysis I did yesterday, you just go and watch my last video, you saw it. So this particular candle broke this zone, and this particular one came back and then reject. This thing went like 1 to 2 plus, getting almost 1 to 3. Then after the movement, it goes didn't do anything again. So this morning, this is what I'm looking at. You can see that when gold drop down, then buy and come back to this zone again and buy. If you look here, there is double bottom here, and go take out this high, this neck as the neckline, but it didn't take out this. I know, but it took out this, which is neckline. So I'm expecting gold to come back to this zone for me to take my first buy here. This is my first entry for buy here, and my second entry for buy will be here. Second entry for buy will be here. Second entry for buy will be somewhere here, and all the stop losses will be here. If you are taking here, if you are taking your first entry here, your support should be here, and if you are taking your second entry here, your stop loss should be here as well. So this second entry here, your stop loss will be like 50 pips or 51 pips. Yeah, 51 pips. And if you are taking from here, you know that your stop loss will be like 69 pips, or let's call it 70 pips. So that's the two entry here. Again, I am aware of what gold is doing here. We expected this on yesterday and come back to it again and started rejecting. So somehow it look as if gold is ranging from here to here and reject here, come back and jump here. So there is a possibility it might get to this low. Yes. But we don't know because forex trading is probability game. So I don't know what might happen. So I'm taking my trade. I don't know whether it's going to respect my zone and start buying, or whether it's going to take out all this low. I don't know. So it's a game of win and lose. Whatever happens, it is what it is. I'm taking buy from here. Then if it drop and take out this low, then I wait for it to come back to retest for somewhere on this zone, or I don't know what it will do before it will get to this low, but definitely whatever makes it to take out this low, there must be a resistance somewhere here for me to take a sell. So if you take out this low, come back to somewhere this, I might take a sell for somewhere here. I will take a sell for somewhere here. So, and again, gold might do this. It might not get to this level and started buying. Whatever make it started buying and drop, then take out this high, come back. Let's take a buy from somewhere here for it to continue moving up. So something like this might happen. You might see something like this. And again, before gold get to this low or this low, if you see something like this, gold drop to here, maybe trigger our buying position and come back, then didn't take out all this side, then maybe get to somewhere here and come back to take out this low. Then if you come back to maybe here or somewhere here, we have to look for a buy from maybe somewhere here, yeah, because it took out this low. Was we call it, this is the higher high, this is the lower low, and this is the higher low. Then it took out the lower low. Then coming back to retest, we take a sell from somewhere here. This is another scenario that might happen. So I think I have pointed out like how many scenarios now. Yeah, I've explained to you that for a buy, if it didn't come back and trigger us and keep buying, something like this. So if you see something like this, then come back. Let's take a buy. If you come back to this one, then let's take a buy from here. If you go, then trigger this our buy limit here and give us this pattern, we take a buy from here. And you're gonna have seen the sell scenario I did here and the one I did here as well. So let's see the ones that we play out. This is what I'm thinking now. And again, gold can keep doing this. Maybe come back and go up again and come back and keep ranging. It's possible it might start ranging somewhere here. But if you decide to range, if you trigger us here, and if you didn't take out this low, which way our stop loss is, whatever makes it come back to here, at least we give us 1-to-1 plus from here. But from here, stop loss, let's call it 70 pips, and whatever makes it go back is 70, almost 80 pips. So it's giving us 1-to-1 plus. Then you can book some profit or move your stop to the entry points and wait whether it will break. But if you come back to our entry point, I'd likely take you out on 0-0. But immediately it trigger us here and go get to somewhere here. Go get to here, which is 1-to-1, which is 1-to-1 plus. I will book some profits and move my stop to my entry point. Maybe I will take 50% of whatever it's giving me and move my stop to my entry point. So if you eventually come back, then I know that it take me out on 0-0, the partial as in position that is remaining, and at least I've already taken 50% of my entire as in position. So that's how I will trade this gold today, guys. So let's watch out and see how this analysis will play out. Stay safe, guys, and God bless.